Designed for convenience and sustainability, this compostable zipper bag combines secure storage with an eco-conscious material solution. The process begins with film extrusion, where raw materials are transformed into blown film before moving through the production line to create finished zipper bags. Each bag is then carefully collected and packed for shipment. Its durable film is designed to withstand everyday handling and resist punctures. Combined with a secure zipper closure, it helps lock contents inside and minimize leakage, making it suitable for storing both dry foods and liquids with confidence. With 3 factories and a production capacity of up to 5,000 tons per month, HAPLAST supports large-scale packaging supply for global shipment demands. Supported by manufacturing certifications and long-term cooperation with international partners, HAPLAST continues providing practical packaging solutions for food packing and export supply chains worldwide. Contact HAPLAST for reliable food packaging solutions tailored to your business needs.